Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the language settings on Google Gemini. So here I've already on the Gemini website, gemini.google.com/app, and to start changing the language settings, you can go clicking your photo profile at the top right corner and then click on this manage your Google account. Then you'll be directed to this Google account setting. So myaccount.google.com. Now you can just go to the personal info, and then here you can just scroll down. Okay, scroll down until you find this general preferences for the web, and then you will see the language settings. You can click on this. Okay, so this is the language that I've already added into my Google, and the current active or the preferred language is English. And if you want to add a new one, a new language, you can click on add another language in here. For example, I'm going to just go at Bahasa Sunda, and then you can just click on save. So after the language has been added into the other languages section, now you can just put it or move it on top like this, and now the language will be changed. So in this case, my Google has been changed into Bahasa Indonesia. So when I open the Google Gemini again, so I'm going to refresh it. Now all of the settings in here is on Bahasa Indonesia, which are the language that you chose before. So that's very easy. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.